let's concentrate muna dito sa ating game na to. Now, we are on the loading screen na. No? Hindi natin napakita yung draft kasi napakabilis ng kagad. Ganun kabilis dito sa Rapid Tournament. Rapid nga, hindi makahabol yung
Welcome to
stream.
Honor of
Diba?
Kings. Enemy minions will arrive in 5
Pabilisan lang to
seconds.
guys, no?
Oo.
Kanina nanalo ng mabilis, no?
Quick
All
na.
forces, move out!
Actually, 12 minutes, panalo na kagad, blue side, pero this time around, Graham, let's see kung blue side pa rin ba ang mananaig, or is it gonna be the red side this time with a different set of players?
Yes, pero line up muna tayo nyo sa blue team para lang alam ng ating viewers. Sa ang ating payong master, itong si Arlie, no? Nakita na natin. Merong si yan po, Princess Frost, and itong si Nakaruru, no? Samantala sa red team, Vince.
Well, we have here, of course, si Eloy Boy, tapos si Yuan jungle ulit, no? Kay script naman ang gagamit niya. Kongming, Y69N ang gagamit. At syempre ito si Juanto naman, of course, Nasha, hindi pwede mawala yan. And we also have the Consort U, si Uji. At ito ang part laner nila.
Exactly, no? And looking at the game right now, parang Vince mukhang mas kalmado to kaysa kanina. Kasi kanina, first few seconds pa lang, mag-1 minute pa lang, nagkakabakbakan na. Pero ito, si Erin ata, madadali dito, pero hindi. They will try to go back. Actually, di pa si Dolia pala yan, no? Pero ito, bakbakan na nga mga kaibigan. Arlie and Consort U just trying to bait it out. Pero darating na dito, etong red team, they will now rescue etong si Arlie. Pero I think this might not be a kill ulti. And he's gonna get etong first blood natin. But Nakaruru will get etong revenge kill.
Unending sorrow para makuha si Skinny Ying na Dolia. No? Good commitment from the ultimate coming in from script. Nakakuha nila ang first blood at syempre hindi pa nagtatapos doon. Nakuha nila yung kill at syempre hindi pa nagtatapos dito yung pag-hunting ng red side para sa kanilang susunod na kills. But still, nakadalawa ang blue side when it comes to getting those eliminations early. But mid lane is very hot right now.
Oh, nice usage of the ultimate para dito kay Princess Frost. And para mag-disengage. Pero etong si Lianpo will come to the rescue and Yuan will go down as well. So ang ganda nung skill usage doon ni Princess Frost. No, talagang gumit na siya sa ulti niya. Mamatay man siya. Sisiguraduhin niya mamamatay din yung mga umaatake sa kanya.
Winter is here. Wala kay Princess Frost. Literal na sinasabi niya na nandito ako si Princess Frost eh. Baka parang sige, ulti ka, nandiyan ito kayo, yung opposite. Kung sige, magkakalaman tayo. Kung gusto ka ng burst, pero ang ganda ng pasok dito, Pai. I mean, Nakaruru will be bursting him down, but still Princess Frost will be getting that kill. Ang galing.
Ang ganda ng pasok ng Nakururo doon. Ang ganda ng rotation. Pero sa may bandang baba, etong blue team, medyo naaalanganan dito. Arlie will just run down. Pero with the crits in front nitong tier 1 tower, itong si U1 will go to the rescue. Pero sa likod, Nakururo, will he get some kill right here? Pero mukhang hindi. Delikado pa nga ata si Nakururo dito. Pero etong si Lianpo will jump out. Princess Frost in danger. Itong si Dakia will be in danger and will go down as well. Tala, rest back from the red team. Lianpo will re-engage pero may mahanap pa sila. No. It's gonna be 5 members ng blue team na nandito ngayon sa may bottom lane. It's gonna be 5v5. Actually 5v4 kasi nga namatay itong si Dakia, but they will already disengage. Mali ako, hindi magdi-disengage, lalaban pa rin sila. This is gonna be greedy for Arlie, and Arlie will get the kill and will teleport back to her parasol for the safety. Nakaruru will also get the kill para dito sa blue team. Ang ganda ng positioning sa mapa dito for the side ng blue team.
At ito ang dahilan kung bakit madalas binabano ang isang Dolia. Skinny Ying, no? Even though na namatay siya kanina, pinapakita niya na napaka-effective niya bilang support. Bakit? Kasi yung ulti niya, yung Celestial Maven, nireset niya yung ultimate ni Princess Frost. Nakakita tayo ng 2 beses na Winter is here at hindi pa tapos na bakbakan dito. Arlie wants to get in close. Tinatakot nila si Elaine, but you know, the fight never stops.
Eto na nga, blue team will try to get some kills right here pero papasok na etong red team, and red team will get the kill on that Consort U, but Consort U will get the revenge kill para sa ito kay Princess. Pero Nakaruru will do the clean up, and that's gonna be triple kill. Nice entry para dito kay Nakaruru.
Ang ganda ng pag-dive dito ni Nakaruru. Nakita natin ang paggamit niya ng Mamahaha Flight. It was well effective pumasok sa tatlo, he gets the triple, at makakuha pa siya ng Overlord after that. 11-3 ang score, at we're talking about 5 minutes.
We're actually looking, ako personally so far etong Nakururu, kanina pa siya, ang ganda ng rotation niya, ang ganda ng ikot niya sa mapa, you know, securing kills, securing cleanups, pero ito Alade will ulti out, Lianpo will not catch him there. Pero mabag tayo kay Nakururu, Vin, sobrang solid nung galaw niya dito, no? Ang ganda lagi ng rotation niya, parang he's always at the right place at the right time.
Sobrang right talaga para sa kanila na magkaroon ng tama. Fight again para masok at si
Legendary.
Pong hindi na makakatakas.
Red team has slain an
Solid
enemy.
nun. As yun nga, sasabi natin, no? Ang ganda lagi ng map rotation, no? I would say na yung map awareness din ako another level. Nakikita niya yung buong mapa dito. Speaking of, legendary na. Etong si Nakururu, we're just at 6 minutes in. Nakururu will continue her killing spree dito. Make it a double kill, possibly a triple kung makukuha ni Nakururu. Yes, it will be. And masisecure ni Nakururu ang triple kill plus the outer tower. This is my warning.
Blue team
Ang
has
ganda na
destroyed a
pinapakita sa
tower.
blue side. Wala sila talagang plano na matalo. They are showing their
Red
full
team
dominance
has
up
destroyed
ahead.
a tower.
Again, they're looking for another potential target. Kahit si Kongri mapapaaray talaga. Revealing his position, he decided to at least get out to safety. Makaiwas lang, pero sabi ng blue side, dito kaya the hunting never stops.
Exactly, no? And eto na nga, pahinga lang ng konti si Nakururu. Pero back to rotation na naman siya, mga kaibigan. Blue team will now secure or steal etong red buff dito ng red team sa kanilang jungle. Pero uy, nakadelikado. Princess Rose will freeze etong si Yuan pero will survive with her ult. Papasukin pa rin ata ng blue team to in between two towers. It is not a good
Blue
position
team,
for the blue team. Pero
legendary.
Nakururu
Shut
will
down.
get the legendary and finally will get shut down by that tier 1
Red
tower.
team
Kongming
has
will get that
destroyed a
gold.
tower.
Pero red team on revenge. Walang Nakururu. Ito na ang ating chance dito. Consort Q and itong si U1 is actually positioning dito sa may jungle. Pero kalma muna tayo. Lianpo though, the re-engage dito. Pang wala pa rin
Blue team
makukuha. It's
has
not gonna get
destroyed a
kill. And
tower.
Arlie on the other hand will just get kill on the tier 1
Blue
top
team
tower.
has slain an enemy.
Hindi pa rin talaga sila tapos na hanapin ang kanilang kalaban. No, you know, blue side, oo, nakakuha sila ng mga magagandang kills, but still, hindi pa nila matibag-tibag yung tower sa gitna. No? Yung ating outer tower sa may bandang gitna, it's gonna be quite a challenge for the blue side, but still, they wanted to give it their all. Ito na si Arlie!
Arlie pumapasok dito inside this tier 1 tower pero lalaban ang red team. There goes your ulti para kay Lianpo. The second slam will not catch anyone pero Kongming will get that revenge right there. Makukuha niya pa, mamamatay daw etong si Lianpo pero Nakururu again with that clean up and they will get 4 heroes down and this tier 2 tower,
Blue
itong middle
team
tower
has
dito sa may
destroyed
bottom
a
lane.
tower. Red team has slain an enemy.
Nagsakripisyo si Raishan para lang pumasok, but still Nakururu looking for another potential kill kay Consort Q. Consort Q dito kahit meron siyang physical immunity na panaka, hindi talaga siya makakaiwas kapag kasi Nakururu na ang pumasok sa kanya dito. And this shows how dominant the blue team is, and they wanted to end it much quicker sa nakita natin kanina 12 minutes. But wait a minute!
Eto na nga ang clean up from Princess Frost. Winter's here will go down and Princess Frost will get the kill. Para dito kay Alade. Si Alade parang nagamit yung ulti na wala. No? Pero on the other hand, again, Nakururu. Eto na nga. And they will not clean up though. Nandito na sa may boss. Pero they will go to eto dito sa may tier 2 tower nila. Pero Rampage is in para kay Nakururu. Again, sniping another hero from the red team. And they will just go back.
They need to reset. Go back muna. Kumuha muna tayo ng mga anino. Shadow Tyrant and Overlord up for grabs. Pero syempre, ang kailangan
Tyrant
muna
has
dyan
been
would be
defeated.
Overlord. But sabi dito ni Arlie, okay, I'm with my friends. Kaya naman nilang i-multitask yan. I get the Tyrant, you get the Overlord. Parehas tayo. Win-win situation on the 9th minute mark.
Pero eto na nga, Lianpo. will find etong Q1 and to si Alain dito sa may top lane. Alain will miss his ult now, pero yan po to, hindi basta-basta mamamatay, and U1 will fall down. On the other hand naman, mukhang nag-clean up dito etong si Kongming, pero mukhang siya ata yung makaka-clean up, makakuha siya ng Princess Cross though. Yan po left alone, pero eto na yung rest back ng blue team. Nakururu will try and kill someone right here, pero eto Concert Q will get the clean up on Dolia and Nakururu, and they will fall down. Pero on the other side, Arlie is just chipping in etong outer tower ng red team, and matutumba na nga. Actually, not outer tower, but the inner tower ng red team, and matutumba na nga dito.
10 minutes in the game, after nilang i-clear ng napakabilis ang Tyrant Overlord, Shadow Overlord naman ang gusto nilang pagsaluhan dito. And of course, the red side is gonna be taking full advantage of this dahil wala silang contestment, walang blue team, no, na pwede mang-agaw ng objective to do, and they might as well use this into their advantage. Tyrant naman ang kinuha dito ni Arlie. Alone, again, Shadow Tyrant sa kanya lang.
Exactly. And mukhang nakukuha na ng red team yung tao. Mali pala ako. Hindi ko pa nakukuha yung timing. Nakururu kasi andyan pa eh. Hadeshi with the Nakaruru making the plays right here. Pero yan po will get the jump on one and double kill para kay Hadeshi dito. He will get those 2 snipes kay Yuan and kay Concert Q. Actually kay Dakyao and kay Concert Q.
Kung Arlie, pumapasok na higa ng chain line, they can move this bomb. Hindi siya takot tatakbalin si Yuan. Ang sumunod na, hiya ko the rest of the members. They wanted to finish this, Graham. Wala nang tower. Dito, high ground power out. They're going in for the crystal and they're ending every day.
And eto na nga, it's gonna be blue team taking that crystal down from the red team, mga kaibigan. And I think, Vince, alam na natin kung sino ang MVP, should be MVP for this match. What a performance coming in. Para kay Hadeshi, you have 20 kills, 2 deaths, and 7 assists. Ang solid ng laro ni Hadeshi. Sabi ko nga kanina, no, it's actually ang ganda ng gameplay ni Hadeshi, no. Very aware siya sa mapa. He's on the right place, on the right time. Alam niya kung kailan siya papasok, alam niya kung kailan siya mag-out. Alam niya kung sino yung tatargetin niya. And ang ganda ng rotation talaga ng ginagawa ni Hadeshi. And sa mga nanonood ngayon na nagra-rank games, no, this is how should a jungle move around the map. Ito talaga yung kung paano gumalaw yung jungle, no, helping all the teams or helping your teammates and securing, queue positions dito sa mapa.
Sobrang ganda ng mga nakikita natin dito sa game na to. And of course, we're just one game away. I mean, no, up next probably is gonna be the finals na inaabang-abangan ng lahat.
Finals.
And syempre lahat ng mga nakakita nyo dito, makita nyo ulit yan mamaya, of course. Syempre ipapakita ulit nila yung kanilang kakayahan. But still, kahit sabihin mo na may teams dito na napakagaling or ang ganda na pinapakita nila, isa lang ang pwedeng maghari dito sa ating rapid tournament, Graham, no? Dalawang malakas, isa lang ang pwedeng manaig dyan.
Hindi pwedeng dalawa parehas manalo.
Pwede.
Lagi naman sa competition dito sa Honor of Kings, may isang talo, may isang panalo. Pero syempre, no, we will find that out mamaya, no? Right after this, we'll just take a short break. And when we come back, it's gonna be the grand finals, best of 3, mga kaibigan. And this is gonna be an epic match, a showdown na mapapanood nyo ngayong gabi. So yeah, just stick around guys, huwag kayong aalis. Babalik kami ni Vince G after a short break.